discussion, chapter 30, and we're finishing verse 9, and we'll continue with the discussion. Gopis are searching for Krishna, Rasa Krida, Krishna Vesana, and they're approaching, they're crazy, in love, Unmad Mahabhav, Shukamuni has told us. And in that transcendentally deranged state of mind, they're asking the trees and the flowers and the creepers and anything and everything they see. They're in the forest, and they can't ask each other because they know that the answer is, I don't know where he went or where Krishna disappeared. There's no other human beings to ask the question to, so ask the flowers. So that's what they do. Chuta priyalapana sasana kovidahara chambarka bilva bakalamra kadamba nipa yanye pararta bhavaka yamano pakula shamsantu krishna paravim rahitatmanamna. These are a list of different flowers that they're inquiring from. All of you flowers and plants and trees, and even you insignificant arka plant, you're living by the banks of the Yamuna, and you have dedicated your lives to the existence of others. Yenye pararta, abhavaka pararta means for the benefit of another one. Art means benefit, and par and yenye par means dedicating yourself for the welfare of others. We gopis have lost our minds. They're even telling. Rahita atmanam shamsantu. Krishna paravim. Krishna he's left us. He's deprived us of his association. Krishna paravim. Rahitatmanam na. So please tell us where Krishna has gone.